We're going to be talking about some trading strategies, mostly on Bybit, all right? The exchange is fantastic. I'm going to review it for you, then talk about a few strategies you can do on there, especially the new update with Shanghai trading. So guys, before we get into disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only, so let's get straight in. So here's the Bybit exchange, all right? It's super easy and it's a fantastic exchange, especially for beginner crypto users. Now guys, you want to get hyped for the new ETH Shanghai, and I will be talking about that, I promise, all right? It's coming up very soon in this video, but first, I just want to give you a quick overview for those of you that don't know what Bybit is. So to get started, just hit the big start button. You can get this on Apple, Windows, Google Play, anything like that, okay? And you can register with your email or phone number. Now guys, if you want to catch your next trading opportunity, whether it is beginning or you are a full-time trader, this is a very good place to go, all right? Click see more, and it'll actually start showing you all the hot derivatives, all the top gainers in order. If you want to explore their full product suite, here it is. They've got the spot trading where you can buy and sell popular cryptos on the spot with low fees. They've got the derivatives to upgrade your trades with USD, perpetual, inverse futures, and more. The NFT marketplace where you can explore, buy, and trade unique NFTs from creators worldwide. Bybit to get high yields with the diverse staking products. You can buy crypto, purchasing crypto with your credit or debit card in just a few clicks. Options with diversifying your trades and stable coins, margined option contracts. All right, it's super easy. All you gotta do is buy crypto in 1 minute with the first step. So if you want to get started, just watch this video for how you buy crypto in 1 minute. If you want to get started on how you can save and earn interest very quickly, watch this video and make your first spot trade, guys. Join all the communities, let them know you're from the channel. But here we go. I want to talk about the ETH Shanghai update. So guys, here it is, all right, the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade. Now guys, you can maximize your gains with ETH on Bybit, either by staking ETH or buying ST ETH, all right, on spot to get your daily yield. All you gotta do is stake ETH to mint ST ETH through Bybit Earn, or buy it directly from the spot market. Earn and trade at the same time, provide liquidity to earn yield on Web3, all right? A comparison of Ethereum 2.0 earning products and major exchanges. So if you're looking at Bybit, Binance, OKX, KuCoin, you can see how Bybit is by far shooting to the top of that rank structure. Now, events not to be missed. There's 530,000 USDT in prizes about to be announced, all right? The event one is the Supreme Scorer 2023. That's April the 4th, 2023, 10 a.m. to April 25th, 10 a.m. All right, the predicted price for that was 80,000 USDT. Number two is what we're at right now, the Ethereum Shanghai Trading Bash. That's from April 2nd to April 20th, April 4th to April 21st is the event period for the second, and the registration period was the first. Trade derivatives, contracts to share price pool, 450,000 USDT. Guys, if you want to get involved, all right, take a picture of this, scan this right now if you want to do it, or just go into the website, hit them links down below. I'm so excited about this. So overall, guys, I love this, okay? If you want to get started, just hit the get started button and start the process. It's incredible. Whether you've got Apple, like I said, download it onto your phone if you need to, or just use it on your browser, all right? You can actually earn benefits from the ETH Shanghai upgrade right now, all right? It's simply here, up to 6% APR, up to 6.5% if you provide liquidity to earn yield. So get involved, invite your friends, all right? You can get up to a 30% commission and earn yourself some passive income also. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and make sure you start staking on here. You join the Supreme Scorer and join the ETH Shanghai Trading Bash right now. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. I'll see you on the next video.